Hi guys, so most of my videos related to Facebook ads got some few traffics and requests, and I really appreciate that one, and I really want to say thank you so much. And that's why I created this third series, and it's all about how you can exclude your team when you are starting running Facebook ads using your pixel. The other one that I'm going to cover as well is when and where you should be requesting a new pixel. So it's big no that you always create a new pixel. As much as possible, you only need to install one pixel into your website, because pixel is your collector, your data collector. So you should only generate one pixel at the time, because the more you create a new pixel, the fewer data you can get. So make sure that you only install one pixel into your website. It's not necessary to you install one pixel, but you need to avoid changing pixel on your website. So once you install the pixel, you can gather more data, you can target your audience very well, you can tailor your Facebook ads. Now we will do this process how you can exclude your team on your Facebook ads. So for example, this is a business manager. By the way, when you are creating a pixel for your website, do not go to your personal account and then go to the for example, you go to your personal account and then you go to the events manager, and then you create a pixel under your personal account. Do not do that. Instead, create a business manager if you don't have a business manager yet, or if you already have a business manager, go to your business manager account and then go to the events manager, go to your events manager, and make sure that you select this area. Make sure that this area is a business manager page, not your pixel. You just want to make just double check it. So make sure that it is pointed to your business, to the right business manager, and then you create a Facebook pixel in the inside the business manager. Do not create a Facebook pixel in your personal account. Okay, so do not create that. So that will be just the first how to I mean mistakes that is the first thing that you need to avoid when you are installing a Facebook pixel. Now let's go back to the business, which is how you can exclude your team on your Facebook ads using a pixel. This will only works if you have a Facebook pixel. Okay, so let's say for example I have an ads here. I go to my business manager, and by the way, I am blurring this in some few information here, because this is not my Facebook ads, it's my boss ads. So I'm blurring some information, so I want to say sorry on that, but I'm gonna give you just sort of like walkthrough process. So you go to the business settings, and then okay, there's just a business settings here for example, and then I go to the, let's say this one, and let's see if she has some few pending ads here. So for example, she have this kind of copy that is set to draft. So let's just open that one for the meantime. Let's say for example you want to exclude your team from these ads. So to do that, you need to create a custom audience. So let's say this is our ads. This one, she had a save ads on this. She has a save audience in these ads. So instead of creating a new audience, I'll just edit this save audience and include some rules. So I click this edit thing, And then in this part, as you can see, this portal, she already provided some logical information on what kind of audience she will gonna target. But I will add additional custom audience here. So I'm gonna create a custom, create a new, and then create the custom audience, and then click this website. By the way, this excluding thing would not work if you don't have a pixel. So you need to have a pixel. So we will create a custom audience. So I will add a logic here, which means exclude people with this pixel that people who visited a specific web pages. And mostly if you are a team member, you have the access of the website. You have the backend access of the website. So I'm gonna put, like, if you're running a WordPress website, so any people who visited a specific web pages that contains WP admin, and we also have other website as well. We also have other CRM as well that has a admin portion. So if you visited on that admin area, there is an extension called beta. So basically this part is we will exclude the people who visited specific web pages contain WP admin and beta, and I will name that audience as HB, or I'm gonna call that team. Maybe exclude theme, so she can better understand why there is a custom audience that is excluded in this ads. So create an ads. So we already create that custom ads. Now in this area we have like exclude them. So it's already at first it doesn't have any like exclude rules in this audience. It only have some tailored audience that you need to target. So since we already created a custom audience for that, you can exclude that audience that we just created. So click that one and type in the audience that we create. So this one, it's called exclude theme, and then we update it and update. And then as you can see here, if you check these ads, so you can see here that she is targeting the business manager, but we are excluding our custom audience under exclude team. So I hope that works, and I'm just borrowing her ads here, so I'll just save that as rough, and I'm blurring this information because this is not my account. So that is how it works. And then the other one is when and where you should be requesting a pixel. I think I already mentioned that to you. So basically, you, as much as possible, you want to avoid reinstalling or recreating pixel into your website. So if you already have a pixel, just put it at once on your website. Do not keep generating pixel all the time, otherwise it will only collect few data. So pixel is kind of your data collector, so everyone who visited your website can be targeted. So that's the purpose of your pixel. And if you keep on changing that pixel, then you cannot target the older visitors who visited your website. So that's the purpose of your pixel. And then this area as well is where you should be generating your pixel. Again, I already mentioned that to you. When you generate a pixel, do not generate a pixel into your personal account. So do not generate it into your personal account. If you go here under Facebook Business Manager, so for example that one, you will able to see this drop down thing. You can see that this underneath is called personal ad account. So do not generate a Facebook pixel into your personal ad account. Instead, you can if you don't have a business ad manager yet, you need to create a business ad manager. And if you already have a business ad manager, click that business ad manager, and then go to the events manager, and make sure that in this area, like in this section, you are pointing the business manager, not your personal account. And you can start creating your pixel there if you don't have a pixel yet. So that's the best practices that you need to follow. And yeah, let me know if that is helpful. I actually have a lot of things to cover, but we're running out of time. And if you think that this is something valuable to you, feel free to comment down below. And if I got like 200 subscribers in this video, then I'm gonna create more videos that is tailored into Facebook ads. For example, like how you can navigate your business manager, how you can share your pixel, how you can create an events in your pixel, how you can create a custom pixel, and how you can target those people who enrolled on your website versus to those people who just visited your checkout pages but doesn't convert. So something like that. So I'm gonna tackle that on my maybe next videos, but I want to know if that is something you are interested in. By the way, for sure I can miss some information in this video, so make sure you check my blog. I'm gonna put it on my link description below, because I'm gonna convert this into blog version, and as much as possible I will make it detailed and provide more information. And probably if there's something I missed, I will add that in my blog as well. So make sure you check my blog for more information. And also, if you're looking for more information or you need any help, make sure to email me at hi@bookwormhead.com. I'll be happy to answer your questions as much as possible. And yeah, I'll also planning to create like a series of from scratch guide to intermediate and hopefully advanced into my upcoming school. So just check the information in my blog. So I'm gonna provide it there. And yeah, so just hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm looking forward what's your feedback on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and thumbs up if you like my video. Have a great day.